Church in Wall Lake. Visitation will be held Thursday night from 5 to 7 p.m. at the church. Don passed away on Monday, January 16th at his home in Wall Lake. The Farber and Ottoman Funeral Home of Wall Lake is in charge of the arrangements. Mass of Christian burial for 88-year-old Eileen Halber of Manning will be held Friday, January 20th at 10:30 a.m. at the Sacred Heart Cemetery in Manning. Friends may call from 5